Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Armada versus Ford Explorer. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Armada is a robust, full-size option, perfect for larger families or towing needs. Conversely, the Explorer provides a versatile mid-size package, balancing power with efficiency. We'll explore their engines, interior comfort, and overall driving experience to give you a clear picture. The Nissan Armada truly shines when it comes to raw power and space. Its standard 5.6-liter V8 engine delivers impressive horsepower, making towing boats or trailers feel effortless. You'll also appreciate the generous interior, providing ample room for up to 8 passengers and all their gear. For those prioritizing a commanding presence and serious capability, the Armada is a strong contender. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: just like choosing the right SUV, making healthy choices is easier with the right tools. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh on the go. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. On the other hand, the Ford Explorer excels in everyday practicality and modern features. Its range of V6 engines, including hybrid options, offers better fuel economy for daily commutes. The Explorer's lighter frame contributes to a more nimble and responsive drive, ideal for city maneuvering. Plus, you'll find cutting-edge infotainment and driver assist technologies that enhance both safety and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.